Family Business Sustainability Index.
Family businesses are a core foundation of the economy in most emerging nations. This is also very true in the Egyptian culture, where family businesses have been an instrumental player in the Egyptian economy since the 19th century. Family businesses have historically grown through time, effort, and investments of their founders. This heightened the sense of ownership of the family members across its different generations, and hence drove the need for regular checkups to ensure the organization's health accommodates for the generational changes and ongoing sustainability. All successful businesses are much the same, where their leaders need to relentlessly pursue innovative improvement and development initiatives to cope with the changing market dynamics in order to perform at an optimum level and remain competitive. In our continuous pursuit to seek advanced approaches for organizational development,
Family Business Sustainability
diagnostic tool was designed to cater for this need, as it scans the full management disciplines to identify areas of strengths and areas of improvement, in comparison to advanced management standards and best practices, and scored on 10,000 points, generating the company's health index.
The FSI
scans the 6 main management pillars through 116 questions, identifying the organization's as-is state, scored over 10,000 points, finally drawing to the company's to-be state.
The 6 management pillars.
Pillar 1, Corporate Governance. Pillar 2,
Strategy and Organization.
Pillar 3, Business Planning and Budgeting. Pillar 4, Supporting Functions. Pillar 5, Commercial Functions. Pillar 6, Operations and Supply Chain. The first pillar is corporate governance. Do you know how your board is performing? Or how efficient are the internal controls of your organization? The second pillar addresses your organization's strategy, where it poses questions to detect whether the organization has a clear strategic direction and whether your leaders are aligned with the organization's strategy. For the third pillar, it tackles business planning and budgeting and probes on aspects related to the organization's business planning and budgeting processes. As for the fourth pillar, it covers the supporting functions and inquires on how effectively is your core business served. Is your HR function identifying the required talents? Is your finance department providing proper financial reporting? The fifth pillar covers commercial functions. This pillar serves the level of efficiency at which your products or services are being marketed, sold, distributed, or exported, and whether or not you track your customers' satisfaction. Last but not least is pillar number 6, addressing the company's operations and supply chain. How efficient is your supply chain operation? Starting with the company's production efficiency, warehouse management, quality management, suppliers management, and others. To conclude, though the FSI does not provide solutions to the challenges found in the various areas of business, it does give an overview and shed light on the areas of required improvement through a gap analysis report and a roadmap that guides business leaders through their journey to their desired destination.